All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So examine, examine. To inspect something, to look closer into something. Examine. Huh. Huh. Examine. Yeah. I want to examine the evidence. I want to examine the quality of the book or the printing, the pages, the dimensions, the material, the sound, the feel, the smell, the texture. Okay. They are going to examine those boxes. I am going to examine the hat. Yes, the hat. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We had little time to examine it last night. Yeah, little time. Yeah. Can you examine what is inside the box? Oh no, the box. Inside the box. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, well. We are examining it now. So I was examining the lesson before I started to record. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She wants to examine the book before publishing it. He will examine the document before signing it. Before signing it, reading it, examine. What's this? What's that? How does that work? What's this? Before signing. Aha. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So he is examining the camera, for example. The camera. He's examining you. You. How cool is that? So, can you use examine in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.